General form of the equation of a line. So the general form, what is the general form of the equation of a line? Do anyone know? Can anyone say what is the general form of the equation of a line? Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where a square plus b square is not equal to 0 condition, and a, b, c are real numbers. A square plus b square not equal to 0, you can say, or mod a plus mod b not equal to 0. Both should not be equal to 0. Then that equation is called general form of the general equation. See, this is. So here x and y are the variables, and a, b, c are the real numbers, means constants. And here a and b should not be equal to 0 simultaneously, can be expressed as a square plus b square should not be equal to 0, or mod a plus mod b should not be equal to 0. Simultaneously means both should not be equal to 0. Anyone can be 0. So this is general equation. A general equation of a line, straight line equation, is a linear equation in the two variables actually. The linear equation in a two variables. So see, this is a condition. A and b not equals to 0 simultaneously. This can be said as a square plus b square should not be equal to 0. So this can be converted into slope intercept form, which is y is equal to mx plus c. I asked you previously, intercept form x by a plus y by b is equals to 1, and normal form x cos omega plus y sin omega is equals to p. So these three different forms, let us see here. The first, let us, how do we express this ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 in slope intercept form? Ax plus by plus c. So very simple. We need y is equal to mx plus c. So we need b not equal to 0. So only b term should be left hand side. Sorry, y term, y coefficient should be y, and its coefficient should be left hand. Remaining terms send it to the right side. So, and b dividing both sides on b, we are going to get it as y is equals to minus a by b into x plus minus c by d. So now see, in the place of the m, what do you have here? What do you have in the place of the m? Please, anyone give the reply.
So minus a by b.
Yes, that is the slope of this line. And y-intercept. Y-intercept is minus c by b. Y-intercept is nothing but it is touching. Suppose if I have given this question to you, and I am asking you where it is intersecting the y-axis. At what point this line is intersecting the y-axis? If I am asking that at what point this line is intersecting the y-axis, means what do you have to write? Y-axis x coordinate will be 0, 0 comma minus c by d. Because y-intercept is equals to minus c by d. Okay? Y is equals to mx plus c, slope intercept form. We call it as a slope intercept form, where the slope is minus a by b and y intercept is c is equals to minus c by b. Okay? Did you understand here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now here, this slope is equals to minus a by b, and y intercept is equals to minus c by b. That is nothing but y intercept is nothing but that line is intersecting the y axis at the point, particular point. In case if b is equals to 0 in the given general form of the equation of a line, ax plus b. So x is equals to minus c by a, you are going to get it. X is equals to, obviously, so vertical line with the slope is undefined. So this is a vertical line. Vertical line is nothing but slope of the y-axis is undefined, like that. That line slope is also undefined in that situation. Next, intercept form of a line. Next, intercept, that is x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. Let us convert this into the general form into intercept form. Further, what we need here, we need constant should be made as a 1. So the constant term is taken to the right hand side minus c, and to make it as a 1, we have to divide it by the minus c. So this procedure can be followed in the problems also. So dividing by c, and we need to express this in the form of x by a. So when you take the a by c to the denominator, a by minus c to the denominator, minus c by a. So x by minus c by a plus y by minus c by b is equals to 1. Now we got it x intercept form of a line. This is looking like a intersect form of a line. So that is x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. Intersect form. So in this, x intercept is minus c by a and y intercept is minus c by b. Okay. So intercept form, this is intercept form where x intercept a is equals to minus c by a and y intercept b is equals to minus c by b. So if c is equals to 0, in that situation, what can be done? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So can we make it as a 1? Right answer? No, we cannot make it as a 1 because the line is passing through the origin. So the equation of a line passing through the origin form is generally y is equals to mx, we can say, but better you say that as a ax plus by is equal to 0 instead of saying it as a y is equals to mx. Better you say it as a ax plus by is equals to 0 because y is equals to mx whenever you are saying, please wait for that. Y is equals to mx is the equation of the line passing through the origin whenever you are saying. So as passing through the origin equation should be in that form. Okay, y is equal to mx if you are saying. Can you express the, can you say the equation of a line, sorry, x-axis is passing through the origin. So x-axis is equation is y is equals to 0. So in this slope is equals to 0. So y is equal to 0x. You can write it as a y is equal to 0x. But y-axis is also passing through the origin. So can you write the y-axis equation that is x is equals to 0 in the form of y is equal to mx? No. So that's why better instead of saying the equation of a line passing through the origin, most of the students will say that y is equals to mx. When I say that y is equals to mx, this is, fails in case of the y-axis. Not only y-axis and any vertical line. So that's why better you say it as a ax plus by is equal to 0 is the equation of a line passing through the origin. General form में constant 0. Okay. So note this point, very important and a very interesting point. Wherever you see that in your textbooks or any other books, intercept language, equation of a line passing through the origin with a slope, something. Equation of a line passing through the origin means y is equals to mx, we'll say. But whenever you say that equation of the y-axis is passing through the origin, when it is passing through the origin, it should be also in the form of y is equal to mx. But we cannot write y is equal to mx in the form of, see, x equal to 0, we cannot write in the form of y is equal to mx. Did you got my point? Did you get my point? Shall I explain to you on the board? See here, I'll explain to you on the board. Whenever you see that y is equals to mx, whenever you see that equation of a line passing through the origin, equation of a line, this is, you can write y is equal to mx. Y is equals to something, slope will be there. Whether the slope is equals to 1 by 2 or whatever it may be, or root 3 by 2, something. But whenever you take the x-axis equation is y is equals to 0. Y is equal to 0 means, yes, you can write y is equal to 0 into x. But equation of the y-axis is also passing through the origin. When it is passing through the origin, the equation of the y-axis is x equal to 0. Can you write that equation in this form? X equal to 0 form, you cannot write now. X equal to 0 cannot be written in this form, sorry. That's why any equation of a line passing through the origin, you say that ax plus by is equal to 0. When you say that, even this one also you can write in the form of x plus by is equal to 0. 0x plus something 1 into y is equal to 0. This one also you can write in this form, x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means 1 into x plus 0 into y is equal to 0. So this is y axis and this is x axis. That is the difference. Most of the students will get confused with this. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let us continue the expressing the general form of the equation of a line. Expressing this general form of the equation of a line into the normal form. Actually, whatever the point I told you, it is not there in your textbook. Whenever you see that in the textbook, it is not there. But generally, you need to know this concept. So that's why I'm explaining. Is the presentation visible?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here you see that equation of a line, general form में normal form is x cos omega plus y sin omega is equals to t. Is a normal form. So here you can write that a by cos omega b by sin omega is equals to c by p. X a by cos omega plus b by sin omega is equals to a by cos omega is equals to b by sin omega is equals to c by. So that is nothing but here cos omega is equals to minus ap by p. Sin omega is equals to minus bp by c. Okay. So now here you can find out the cos omega by using AP. P is equals to already will be given to you because sine square omega plus cos square omega is equals to 1. You know that. So minus BP by C whole square plus minus AP by C whole square is equals to 1. On simplifying this, you are going to get P square in the brackets and A square plus B square by C square is equals to 1. Or you can write it as P square as a C square by A square plus B square. So taking the both square root on both sides, we get P value. So P value you can obtain like this, plus or minus. So that is nothing. Cos omega you can get it as minus AP by C whole square plus minus AP by C whole square is equals to 1. Or you can write it as P square disconnected actually. So now here you see that now is it audible to you? Hello,
Yes, sir.
can you hear me? Any one of you please give the reply that.
Yes, sir.
Oh yes. Now here cos omega you can get it as a my plus or minus a by under root of a square plus b square, and sine omega you can get it as a plus or minus b by under root of a square plus b square. So when you get cos omega and sin omega, general form, if you want to write ax plus by plus c, you are going to have the a, b, c. A, B, C values, if you substitute in the a by under root of a square plus b square, you are going to get it into the form of cos omega plus 1. This is the general form to normal form conversion. This is general form to normal form conversion. Okay. So here p value is plus or minus c by under root of a square plus b square. And here, while solving the problems, I'll explain to you very clearly regarding this. There will be one confusion. When we take into consider problems, I'll explain to you very clearly. One time plus should be taken and one time minus should be taken. Now you cannot understand clearly. While solving the problem, I'll explain to you very clearly. Okay. So this is the conversion of the general form of the equation of a line into the different forms. Okay. So the next topic is now distance of a point, one pointer from the line. How do we find out the distance of a point from the line and the distance between the two parallel lines? These two concepts will let us learn. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir. Sir, not now visible.
Okay, wait.